it's going to be a bit of an adventure. Alright, it's a little bit windy, but here we go with the next project. Yeah. So this is its current state. We've got to run to the tip, get rid of all this stuff, and then we've got to try and make this brand new. All this stuff that's in it has been in it for about 30 years. And we're not even sure if we're going to be able to tow it because it might be screwed. But so it's watertight, it's dry on the inside. Yeah, 1960s Caravan. I don't know when this stuff is from, but it's not bad on the inside. You got a bunk bed, you got cupboards. That was maybe a toilet under there. Yeah. So that's 50. Never been taken on holiday?
Once.
Once? Where?
In 1965, they went to Cornwall.
Yeah.
Pulled by Rover, by the P5. But then they used it when they were building this. They lived here in this.
It'd be bloody good to get that hooked up to your P4 and having...
Well, yeah, there's no tow bar on that. We'll get a P5 and do it that way.
We won't tell Mum yet.
No, we won't.
What the hell is this called? Black Tower. That is German as fuck.
It's bottle of wine, mate. It's been open. I wouldn't.
No.
Look at it too much. Yeah, there used to be a flat that came up. In fact, it's here. It's still here, look, I think. On a hinge, yeah.
Ah, I see.
And that flips up and stops you from
falling out of bed.
Out, yeah.
Yep. There's
that's been here the whole time.
1961.
Yep.
Look at that, Interstellar on Blu-ray. Alright, that's one tip run done. We're on the second one now. Next time you see us, it's going to be pumping the tyres up and trying to get this out of the hole it's dug itself in and manoeuvring it to my parents' house to continue the work, which is literally insane. Shift all this, get to the tow bar and see if this thing will actually move without it coming apart. Let's see how we're looking. What's that? Millets. Tent?
I see tent.
Is it?
And that'll be the pegs and poles for it.
Holy
Don't throw that away.
I won't. I'll keep that on the bed.
What you put it next to?
A sleeping bag.
That's what I slept in when I was about 6. That very one. Used to zip two together and make it into a big blanket.
That's 60 years ago, that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Need the Uber in there.
Hey.
Have to get the Uber in there.
I was going to say.
Right, another trip at the tip. And we'll get a third load. Alright, I think that's about everything that we want to get out of it. So, 3 pickup fulls. Definitely mice or something been living in here. Box of old records. Plenty of wallpaper. Weird place to put it all.
Gold wallpaper.
So, see you in a minute. It'll probably be like a week or something for me, but it'll be just this amount of time for you. Yeah, that's on the floor as well. I don't think the stands are up properly at the front. No brakes? No. Right, so we've come to move the caravan. We've got a guy to come and actually help us with it. This is all rusted. It's not moved in 30 years. We've got to get the legs up and then we've got to pull it from the back. We can't rotate it because of the trees in the way. So it's going to be a bit of an adventure. First time in 30 years that leg's moved.
God. Yeah.
Definitely two at the front. These, they might just fucking come off.
Yeah.
The rust is quite bad at the front underneath here. Get a caravan from the 60s, they said. It'll be fun, they say.
Yeah.
Alright, spray the front.
Spray first, yeah. Sprayed all that, mate.
Right, we're going to play in here.
Yeah.
We can't swing it this way because the tree's in the way.
Can we tie it?
That leg's got to come off.
Yeah, we can pull this, it's light as fuck.
You've got a pump in, you've got.
Yeah, well, that's flat.
That's as flat as a pancake, that's the problem.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
It's not buried. So glad I went to the gym and had a shower before I come. The only leg that was causing issues was that one. We managed to angle grind the supporting bolts and get it up. We managed to hand move it around. Now we're just putting air in that back tyre. And we might be able to shift it. Now the good thing is you don't have to find a rare 1962 caravan thing to fix that leg, because on static caravans we used metal tripod, you wind it up and then it holds it.
Oh, I've got enough jacks, axle stands.
Oh yeah, literally any of that. Yeah, 3 and that'll do. It might even be more secure on them other things because they're rusted. A little bit worse for wear underneath. Oh, holy shit, I was stuck in a hole. Hold up. Yeah. Okay.
Well done, bud.
That's where it was. And I just moved my car. He's just hooking it up now. Now the new gates we just built. Splendid.
Look at this leg, mate.
I know it might dig into the ground, but it's just held in by the last bolt there. It's free, but it's going to be dragging on the floor and causing.
Well, we'll take it back off you. We'll lower it down. We'll cut it off.
Right. A rope or a long cable tie or something like that.
And
Bit of string. Yeah, that'll hold.
see if that will work.
Keep going. Yeah.
Spin it. That way.
Right.
And push it that way, yeah?
Push and pull.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
Go through and tell us when to stop, mate.
You got these, turn them around.
Far easier than I thought. I knew I wouldn't be able to tow it round
It
here.
looked rougher than
Yeah.
it was, didn't it?
No brakes.
No.
Them brakes are as old as me and
Well, do you
Your
know
husband.
what?
Lucky we emptied it.
I'm surprised to see it here, actually. I didn't
Look
think
at the state of
old
it.
girl would make it.
you know what?
It's done bloody well for how old it is, to be honest.
It's
in,
aluminium.
it's in one piece. Yeah, that's what he said, aluminium on there,
I
yeah.
can see it's alloy.
Yeah.
She's an old girl and
Do you know?
she'll be
I was 5 when that was made.
weird.
62.
Yeah.
Alright, we're in, boys. Yeah. It is in the garden. Look at it. It does not fit in this lovely garden. We have got some cleaning to do. That'll be for the next day. He did clean the inside though. There you go, mother. Your new home. You need a little step?
I'm not sure that. Do I need a mask?
No, it's not that bad. It was literally just old board games and stuff like that. When was the last time we was in a caravan?
I think you were about 6.
Yeah.
What?
You're about to lift her
My
out.
knees. It's a long way down.
Alright,
my
Team
knees.
Leader, calm down. Do you like it? We did bloody good then. Yeah, that's going to be sick to do. Right, it's cleaning day for the caravan. Yeah, baby. So this, we're going to actually mix up a load of buckets, and this will, you can suck this straight out of the bucket and then spray it. So this is like a foamer, if you like. So we're going to cover it in foam and cleaning solution and whatnot. But first, we need to get all that shite off the top. So we've got a leaf blower, and we're going to go around and just clear it all. Alright, we've got the leaf blower. You're going to be attached to the front of this via GoPro for some action sequences. You're getting all this, Joey, through. Like a farm boy.
Yeah. How do they miss the field so bad that they hit the roof of a caravan?
This has been sat there for 30 years. It's going to collect some shit, literally.
I know, but it's just giving it some soap.
I think I'm going to hook up the other one. Right, we've got some caravan cleaner. We're leaving it on for 2 minutes. And then we'll give it a pressure washer down. And then we've got a brush as well, so we can get some of the thicker stuff after that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's already better.
Yeah, isn't it?
See that shite coming up?
Yeah.
Joe's getting all the shit off the floor. He's had round 1. Tug it like you mean it. 1.
That's not what Ada did.
2.
Yeah, he did that.
You good, Dad?
Yeah, I was just inhaling the tea.
That's alright. Alright, that's today's work done on that. We're just going to have a little walk around to show you. I mean, it's looking God knows how many decades of shite just came off that. But yeah, it's going to need a lick of paint. This is like this, it's not dirt, it's pink. That used to be pink, so he's going to do it the original. I'm going to get the angle grinder on that with the pads as well. See if we can get that some rust off these. So it's been a couple of days since I've been back and my dad's been around it. We've got all the minging curtains and net curtains out, cleaned all of the windows. Look at this in here. So how much of a difference has that made? Right, and under here where the sink was clean, he's even got the original cutlery out of the drawer, ran it through the dishwasher and cleaned the blades. So I think we're going to leave that as part 1, and if you want to see part 2 of it painted, inside done, carpet, all that stuff, it's going to take a bit longer, but I can put that together for you, so comment below and catch you next one. Peace.